Agriculture has been extremely successful in providing food security for humankind. We have never eaten so much and of such a good quality. In the last decade, we have increased the production in a way that we need less than half the amount of land to feed every person. But there are many challenges ahead.
The Master is a comprehensive teaching system combining lectures, practicals, individual and group work, as well as visit to firms and research centers. This is the 22nd edition of the Master. We are continuously adapting and updating the content of the program to take in account the latest advances in biotechnology, such as plant transformation, gene editing, that are the new challenges in plant breeding programs.
Changes in diets, increase in population, and yet there are people who are still suffering hunger. In this context, plant breeding is a key discipline. Plant breeding represents an integration of old and modern science, all the way from basic agriculture, horticulture, to the most newest developments in genome editing, in bioinformatics, etc.
For example, one of our master students using CRISPR-Cas technology in plant system to selectively login out and phenotype genes involved in different pathways. You can be part of this discussion.
There is a need of plant breeders. There are not so many. Companies are looking for plant breedings. And I think that this course offers a nice equilibrium between all new science, between practical and theoretical training. The fact is that many of our graduates are presently working in high-level positions in international companies.
This is an enriching multicultural experience and a unique opportunity to build international, professional and collaborational networks.
This is just an example of the things you can do in the Master. Join us.